black Dell Vostro laptop comes pre-installed with Ubuntu operating system. This thin and light laptop weighs under 1.8 kilograms, making it ideal for people on the go. The 8th generation Intel Core i3 processor is sufficient for browsing and daily use. The 4 MB cache allows you to access frequently used apps faster. The laptop features a 4 GB DDR4 RAM with Intel HD graphics that allows you to switch easily between applications. The Dell laptop has 1 TB of hard disk space, which is sufficient to hold all your videos, movies and photos. It comes with a 42 Wh lithium-ion battery that provides a battery backup of up to 6 hours. The Dell Vostro laptop has a 14-inch LED backlit HD display with anti-glare technology, offering an immersive viewing experience for watching movies and videos. The laptop has 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, 1 HDMI port, 1 combination audio and microphone port, 1 Ethernet port, and 1 VGA port for easy connectivity. This laptop comes with AC adapter included in the box. This Dell laptop comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit cards, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and